Understanding the Wagon Wheel, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, the wagon wheel. This is a fascinating expression in English, and understanding it can enrich your language skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the meanings and uses of this unique phrase. The wagon wheel is a phrase that can have multiple meanings depending on the context. Originally, it refers to the literal wheel of a wagon, which is a vehicle historically used for transportation. However, in English, this phrase has taken on metaphorical meanings as well. In a metaphorical sense, the wagon wheel can symbolize durability and tradition. Wagon wheels are known for their sturdy construction and long history, so the phrase might be used to describe something that has withstood the test of time. Additionally, it can signify movement or progress. Just like a wheel helps a wagon move, this phrase can be a metaphor for driving things forward or making progress in a situation. Sometimes, the wagon wheel appears in idioms or common expressions. For instance, reinventing the wheel is a popular idiom meaning to unnecessarily create a new way of doing something that already exists. This shows how the concept of a wheel, including a wagon wheel, is deeply embedded in English expressions. In culture, the wagon wheel can refer to songs, stories, or historical references related to wagons and their journeys. It's a symbol that evokes a sense of journey, history, and the olden days. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, the wagon wheel, and its various uses in the English language. Remember, phrases like this add color and depth to your language skills, so keep exploring and learning. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.